Inner City Blues. I don't listen to secular music very much anymore. It doesn't really appeal to me, and I'm not really interested in the contents of the lyrics. The reason is not due to anything other than the influence of Christ in my life. I am a living witness that once Christ touches you, your life will never be the same. The things that you used to do, you won't do. The things you used to say, you won't say. And the way you used to act, you won't act. And what you used to listen to, you won't listen to anymore. And so although I don't make it a practice of listening to secular music, occasionally I may listen to a tune or two. And one of my favorite artists is the late and great Marvin Gaye. And it was in the early 1970s, he put on an album entitled What's Going On, which he wrote while dealing with a difficult time in his life. He wrote this album while battling a plight of serious depression after a fellow Motown artist and close friend, Tammy Terrell, died of a brain tumor that year. This album spoke about the current conditions and problems of society with introspective lyrics regarding drug abuse, poverty, and the Vietnam War. On this particular album, there was a track called Inner City Blues, which illustrated the ghettos of inner city America as if it discussed how an individual who witnessed the bleak economic and social situation of their community would experience something so trying on them that it would make one want to holler and throw up both of their hands. This song spoke to the inner city conditions that were beyond range of help by human standards. The lyrics dealt with social influences such as inflation and war, where he said, bills pile up sky high, send that boy off to die. It dealt with the emotions of life in general, dealing with the roller coasters of life, where he said hang-ups, letdowns, bad breaks, and setbacks. It dealt with crime in the inner city, where he said crime is increasing. Trigger happy policing. Don't act like I'm the only one that knows the words of the song. It was these conditions, these social, economic, and inner city conditions which gave the people the blues, and they were so stressed out, discouraged, and depressed that upon witnessing these conditions, it made a person want to holler and throw up both their hands. Don't you know what a holler is? A holler is a cry in a desperate state. It is a cry expressing deep and a serious need that needs to be met and has not been met. It expresses frustration oppressions and depressions and